Picture this: you walk into a space and instantly feel a magnetic pull towards someone. That's the energy of high value women. But it is not just about outer charm, it is about a deep rooted belief within themselves, in how they deserve to be treated, and in the power they bring to any interaction. So, what makes a woman truly shine? You might have heard about the term high value woman tossed around. But what does it really mean? In this video, we are going to be breaking down the traits of high value women so that you can understand and embody these qualities. So, whether you are a woman looking to embrace your power or someone just wanting to learn about what makes people so amazing, then this video is for you. So, grab your comfy seat and let's explore the traits of high value women together. Number one trait is they take care of themselves. Now, these high value individuals, they take care of themselves at every level, whether it is physical, mental, emotional, or spiritual. When you believe that you are worthy and you deserve the best, then you are going to take care of yourself. This means you make time for regular exercise, nourish yourself with healthy food, ensure that you get enough rest and sleep. High value women are in tune with their emotions and express themselves in a very healthy way. They understand that emotional well being is crucial for overall happiness and fulfillment. These individuals also nurture their spiritual side, whatever that means to them individually. Number two trait is self respect. Now, let's talk about the cornerstone trait of high value women: self respect. These individuals have deep rooted understanding of themselves. They know their strengths, they acknowledge their flaws, and they embrace every aspect of who they are. Basically, these individuals refuse to settle for anything less than they deserve. Self respect also means setting boundaries and sticking to them. It can also mean saying no to anything or anyone that compromises their values or makes them feel less than who they are. Whether it is in their personal relationships, friendships, professional settings, high value women know to draw their line. Self respect is not about arrogance or superiority. It is about knowing that everyone deserves to be treated with dignity and kindness, including themselves. By valuing and respecting themselves, they set an example for everyone else to do the same. So, if you ever find yourself in doubt, remember this: you are worthy of love, respect, kindness, and wonderful things that this life has got to offer. So, embrace your uniqueness, stand tall to your convictions, and watch how the world responds to your unwavering self respect. Number three trait is setting boundaries. High value individuals know that what they want and what they won't tolerate in their lives. They are not afraid to communicate their needs and preferences, and they do so with a lot of confidence and grace. Setting boundaries isn't about being mean or selfish, it is about protecting your energy and your well being. High value individuals understand that their time and energy are precious resources, so they choose to invest them wisely. They surround themselves with individuals, those who support and uplift them, while gently but firmly keeping away those who drain their energy. Moreover, high value individuals are not people pleasers. They do not please people at the expense of their own happiness or fulfillment. While they value kindness and compassion, they also recognize the importance of prioritizing their own needs and desires. High value individuals recognize that they are the ones who are responsible for their own happiness and fulfillment and refuse to compromise their emotional, mental, or physical well being just for the sake of others. So, if you ever find yourself struggling to set boundaries or feel overwhelmed by the demands of others, take inspiration from high value women. Know your worth and protect your energy, and remember that it is okay to say no to something that does not align with your values or your priorities. Number four trait is self awareness. High value individuals have a deep sense of self awareness. They truly know themselves inside out. Isn't just about recognizing their strengths or weaknesses, but it is about understanding their emotions, values, and desires at a profound level. They are in tune with their inner world and able to navigate their thoughts and emotions with clarity and insight. This self awareness enables them to make authentic choices that align with their true selves. Whether it is their relationships, career, or personal goals, high value women approach life with deep understanding of what truly matters to them. They don't let external pressures and expectations to dictate their life. Instead, they trust their intuition and stay true to their own path. Moreover, this self awareness extends beyond themselves to the interactions they have with others. In fact, high value women are very much attuned to the emotions and needs of those around them. They are able to communicate openly and honestly, building trust and understanding with those they encounter. In a sense, self awareness is a superpower for high value women. It is the foundation upon which they build their lives, guiding towards fulfillment, authenticity, and meaningful connections. Number five trait is confidence. Now, confidence is a defining trait of high value individuals, but it is not about flashy achievements or material possessions, but it is about a deep rooted belief that comes from within. High value women exude confidence because they know that their worth is not tied to external validation. High value women understand it very well that true confidence comes from self acceptance and self love rather than recognition from others. They don't wait for external validation or praise from others to feel good about themselves. Instead, they trust their abilities and intuition. High value women lead with example, showing those around them that true confidence comes from within. They encourage others to embrace their strengths and celebrate their uniqueness regardless of external measures of success. In a sense, confidence for high value women is all about owning who they are and living authentically. It is not about proving themselves to others or seeking validation from external sources. Instead, it is about recognizing the inherent worth and letting the inner light shine brightly for others to see. Number six trait is kindness. These individuals understand the power of small gestures and the impact it can have on someone's day. Whether it is a warm smile, a listening ear, or a thoughtful compliment. High value women go out of their way to spread kindness wherever they go. They recognize that even a simplest act of kindness can brighten somebody's day and make a lasting impression. But kindness for high value women goes just beyond being nice. It is about seeing and acknowledging the humanity in others. They take time to listen to others with empathy and offer support without any judgment. They understand that everyone is fighting their own battles, and a little kindness can go a long way in making this journey a little easier. These individuals are not only kind to others but also kind to themselves. They understand the importance of filling their own cups before pouring into the cups of others. It's like they have the secret recipe of kindness that starts with themselves. You see, when your cup is full, you have more to give to this world. Kindness is not just something they do, but who they are. High value individuals embody kindness in their words, actions, and interactions with others, creating a ripple effect of positivity and compassion wherever they go. In a sense, kindness is not just a trait for high value individuals, but it is a way of life. It is about choosing to see good in others, offer a helping hand, and spread love and compassion in the world that often feels too harsh. So, next time you see high value women being kind to others, remember that she has taken all of this time to be kind to herself first. And when you be kind to yourself, you become beacon of kindness for others. Number seven trait is putting themselves first. Have you ever been on a flight and heard the flight attendant say, "Put your oxygen mask first before assisting others"? Well, that's exactly what high value women do in their everyday lives. They understand that they can't take care of others if they run empty on themselves. It's a trait that might sound selfish at first glance, but for high value women, it's a form of self preservation and self respect. They understand it very well that in order to show up for others, they need to prioritize their own happiness and well being. It's like the old saying that goes, "You can't give what you don't have." Putting themselves first is not about neglecting others or being self-centered. It is about understanding their own needs and honoring them. So whether it is carving out time for self-care, setting boundaries to protect their energy, or pursuing their passions or dream, High value women prioritize themselves without any apology. And when high value women put themselves first, everyone around them benefits because by taking care of their needs, they become more healthier, happier, and fulfilled in life. And when they show up their best selves, they are able to give more to their relationships, work, and communities. Moreover, by putting themselves first, they set an empowering example for others, especially other women. It sends a powerful message that self care isn't selfish, it is necessary. It is about reclaiming their time, energy, and autonomy in this world that demands too much of them. Number 8 trait is they don't take themselves too seriously. While they understand that life is full of ups and downs, it is also meant to be enjoyed and savored. Picture this, you are at a party and there's this person who is life of a party, constantly cracking jokes and making everyone laugh. That's the vibe high value women get to any situation. They are not afraid to poke fun of themselves or laugh at their mistakes because they understand that perfection is overrated. So, why do they make it so light? Because they understand that life is messy and unpredictable, and that is what makes it so beautiful. They know that making mistakes is a part of an adventure, and they are not afraid to stumble a little as they go. Moreover, this light-hearted attitude is so infectious. It creates an atmosphere of positivity and joy wherever they go, making everyone around them feel more comfortable, relaxed, and at ease. In a sense, high value women embrace life with a sense of humor and humility, which is both inspiring and refreshing. So, to all the high value women out there, thank you. Thank you for showing us what it means to be strong, compassionate, and unapologetically yourself. Thank you for lifting others up and blazing a trail for the generations to come. And thank you for being shining examples of what it means to live life with purpose, passion, and grace. Thank you, dear viewers, for joining me in this journey. Until next time, stay fabulous and don't forget the incredible value you bring to this world.